In this video, I'm going to talk about what's it like to use US Mobile in 2022. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tech That Doesn't Byte. It's been a while since I last used US Mobile, so I wanted to update the video and kind of figure out what's different with US Mobile in 2022. Let's take a look. US Mobile is an MVNO that provides wireless cellular service by using either the Verizon or T-Mobile network. They have a variety of types of plans that you can choose from. For example, you can choose their unlimited data plans, tier data plans, a shared data plan, or you can even build your own. Their plan comes with unlimited talk and text with the exception of the build your own custom plan. For my testing, I'll be using my unlocked iPhone 12 mini with their eSIM. I'm happy that they finally supported eSIM on the iPhone 12 mini. When they first launched eSIM, the iPhone 12 was not on their supported list. So let's talk about the porting in a number experience. So I ported in a number from my T-Mobile Connect plan. All you do is you fill out the information that includes the account number and the PIN number from your previous carrier, which in my case was again T-Mobile. Once I submitted the necessary information, I waited for the port-in process to be completed. It actually took a bit longer than I expected, almost 48 hours to be exact. Now, I was very appreciative of their support team because they emailed me about the port-in process and kept me updated. It turns out it was nothing wrong on US Mobile's end. They just had to wait for T-Mobile to release the number. Your port-in experience might be different depending on which carrier you're going to be porting in from. And once my number was ported in, I was able to add the eSIM to my phone. Now let's talk about performance and data speeds. One of the new things with US Mobile is that they announced that all their customers on their Warp 5G plans with a 5G device will all have premium data. Premium data is not yet available for customers that continue to use 4G. Honestly, this is a huge plus. Not all MVNO providers are able to offer this kind of priority/premium data. So here are the speed test results. It was conducted around my neighborhood and here are the results. I was getting anywhere between 46 megabits per second to around 54 megabits per second for my download speeds and between 2 to 6 megabits for my upload speeds. Now for my second network speed test, it's at a different location, this time actually inside of a store, and the 5G speeds are slower. I was only getting around 8.32 megabits per second for my download and only 0.62 megabits per second for my upload speeds. It's quite possible the area that I tested in does not have any towers that are equipped with the C-band wavelength that provides that ultra wideband 5G type speed. In terms of phone calls, I didn't have any issues making them. It all sounded great. I also didn't have any issues with SMS, MMS, visual voicemails, and Wi-Fi calling. They all just work. US Mobile also has the option for you to use the hotspot tethering function on your phone. However, it is an extra charge. It costs $5 for me to add the hotspot feature to my plan. Here are my speed test results while my iPad was tethering to my iPhone 12 mini. I was able to get around 41 megabits per second for my download speeds and 2.55 megabits per second for my upload speeds. They also have an app that allows you to manage your account. You can add more data, minutes, and text on the app. You can even add a new line as well. And the cool thing about it is that you can actually enable two-factor authentication. I know not a lot of MVNOs do support that yet, which is kind of scary, but US Mobile does support it. Another great feature, and this is a big plus if you're a frequent traveler, you can add international data plans via eSIM directly to your phone. You just have to select your destination and it will show you the type of data plan you can add. The cool thing about this feature is that it's available to everyone. You don't even have to be a US Mobile customer. Before we continue on, I do have a question for everyone. Do you prefer to use eSIM or a regular physical SIM? Leave your comments below. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also that bell notification so you get notified of new videos. And feel free to check out our Patreon page if you want to support the channel. We have some great Patreon levels and also some cool perks as well. And you can also check out our Ko-Fi page as well. Let's get back to the video. Now here are some of the things that I don't like about US Mobile. Well, their taxes and fees are a bit higher. There's an additional $2 service fee, and the regulatory cost recovery charges, they range between $1 to $5 per line. Hotspot is an add-on rather than being part of the plan itself. Now, eSIM is only for their Warp 5G network, also known as the Verizon network that they're using, and not for their GSM network that uses T-Mobile. And eSIM is only supported to to limited devices such as iPhones and Pixel devices only. Even though their customer support kept me updated through email about my port-in situation, their chat support was just okay. When I reached out to them through chat, it seems like they weren't aware of the port-in situation that I was experiencing, and instead they told me to restart my phone. So I think it depends on who you talk to. Overall, US Mobile can be a good option for you if you're looking for an MVNO that uses the Verizon network. By being able to offer premium data and with the variety of plans you can choose from, you can possibly get the same network experience as a Verizon customer, but at a lower price. If you want to check out some of our other MVNO reviews such as Red Pocket Wireless, Visible Wireless, and also Mint Mobile, check them out at the very end of this video. And I'll see you next time.